Welcome to pteclasses.com. We're looking at the Referral Users section, where you can manage your personal referrals and track their activity. Start by navigating to the Referral Users page from your main dashboard menu. At the top, you'll find your unique referral link. You can easily click Copy to save it to your clipboard, or click Share to send your referral link directly to friends or colleagues. You can also use the Register User and Package filters to organize your data more effectively. You can manage this list efficiently by using the filter field to search for specific names. Below the link, you'll see the list of referral users table, which tracks everyone who has signed up using your specific referral link. The table displays essential details for each referred user, including their name and registration date. You'll also be able to view their selected package and current payment status. These details help you monitor referral activity and understand the progress of each user you have referred. Below the user list, you'll find the Withdraw section. This area is designed to help you manage any eligible referral earnings or incentives. By regularly reviewing your referral dashboard, you can stay updated on registrations and referral performance.